Isa to sa pinakamaluwag na subcompact car na nilabas nung time niya. At meron siyang rear air vents which is rare para sa mga subcompact car. Kaya kung gusto mo nito, I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2016 Nissan Almera VL automatic transmission. Exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 15 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. At sa harap, LED headlight, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at 2 ang ending. At sa engine, is a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder automatic transmission gasoline engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaayos. Magdala ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh leather seat at well-designed na dashboard, traditional infotainment system, automatic climate control, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission, at napakaayos sa steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito, push start button at analog display, at vanity mirror sa driver side. At sa second row, napakaluwag ng legroom at meron siyang air vents, aircon control sa armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At sa pinakalikod, rear spoiler, chrome garnish, back sensor, at sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kompleto ng tools, splitter, and jack. So this is the 2016 Nissan Almera VL automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 385,000 pesos, mauuwi na to. Open to for cash, trade-in, financing. So tawag ka na, napakaluwag at napaka-reliable nito. Thank you guys. Peace out.